This is our model number 339, density based auto traffic signal control with Android based remote override. Meaning we have a traffic control system where we have it's a junction where we have this is the road and this is another road. We have the signal lights always on the right side, what we find here, and for this side this is the signal, for this side this is the signal, and for this side this is the signal, and so on. This has got automatically adjusting the time depending on the number of vehicles which are sensed by the certain sensor arrangement that we have here, certain photo sensor arrangements. It also has an advantage of allowing any emergency vehicle like Red Cross, like fire brigade or ambulance can choose its path as per its requirement, overriding the signal even in the direction that it wants to go. We will see that function, and that is all achieved remotely, and the function is achieved by the Bluetooth device here, and using any smartphone like which will have a screen of this nature, it can be operated in which direction that the emergency vehicle would like to go. So once we switch on, what we notice that the signal lights based on this timing which has been given on a circular fashion goes on switching on this side or this side, which is a simple traffic junction that we're taken into consideration. The green is meaning that the vehicle would pass, red meaning it will stop. Accordingly, it continues with the time, the standard time which is given. But while the vehicles come, and supposing for example vehicles are coming and waiting here to go, what we'll find now, the timing for this will change automatically to a longer duration. You can find the green light is on for a longer duration. It's because the vehicles are waiting to go. So this is what is the intelligence that is given to this traffic control system. Besides that, what we have discussed is that it has to have certain override facility. Like for example, usually what we will see, there will be only 2 red and 2 green at a time in any vehicle to go in any junction. Now if the override function, now supposing a Red Cross or a fire brigade or a ambulance is planning to go in a particular direction, supposing he is pressing this, he wants to go in the left direction, what we find immediately, the 3 LEDs, all the junctions become red and the vehicle will only go in one direction. All other junctions are blocked by red. Similarly, it happens depending on which direction that the ambulance wants to go. This is how it has the override function remotely operated by any Android based smartphone. And after the ambulance is crossed the place, it can always press this button, which will again release the system back to the normal that is to be operated. Thank you.